Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line down here is coming from. And at this point, this one was a full-blown pump and dump. And I just say that not based on the company. I don't know anything about the company. I'm basing this solely on the price action. And in my definition of pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases, even lower. And as I defined yesterday, this green line was the quote-unquote starting point. And you can see after today, the price closed right there, which, not to insult your intelligence, but is below that green line, which implies that the price is now literally right back to where it all started. And that is, that's not what a price movement with genuine power does. A price movement with genuine power is going to progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. And again, at this point, as far as I'm concerned, the price is back to where it was, where it all started within this previous range. So that is also what brings about our first update, which comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So going into tomorrow, which I guess is Friday, and then next week, 22 cents there is going to be that initial area of resistance. In the event the price continues to pull back, then the absolute must-hold level, without doubt, is down here at the 18-cent mark, for the very simple reason that's just as low as it's been for a very long time. And any sort of closes and breaks below 18 cents, that's literally putting the price even lower than what it's been, maybe potentially in its history. I guess I don't know how low this one's actually ever gone. But point being, if you want this to bottom out, then you can see it did bottom out here in the past. So that will be the key level of support in the event this one continues to pull back. So we'll see what happens with it. But as far as the price movement from yesterday was concerned, yeah, today definitely confirmed just a total pump and dump. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.